Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if it is your first time here, I would like you to do me a favor. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, share it, and turn on the notification button as well. Today this vlog is about I don't know how I'll call it. Actually, I'm living with a guy called Edimo, and his place is very beautiful. I mean, the environment, it's very beautiful. So I just want to go to the top steps and enjoy the sun. Moreover, this apartment contains over 400 people. We are mixed. You see the Lebanese, the Chinese, India, Nigeria, and then the Kenyans, Canada, Ghana. We are mixed. And I learned it can contain almost 450. That's the maximum, 450. So it's nice. It's nice to have a place like this. And this apartment is very affordable as well. So if you need affordable apartments or Airbnb, I can recommend this place to you. I think it's SUBURBS, if I'm not mistaken, the name SUBURBS. So I have a friend who also have Airbnb. If you guys want, I'll put his Airbnb link under the description. So if you guys want to book, use that link to book this place. Yes, as more people are coming, as you can see, they are passing by. We are mixed over here.